So in the last class we have done up to question number 4 of 1 of exercise number 8.3. We'll start from question number 2 today. We have discussed in the last class about the complementary relations between the T ratios. So you also do it also in your copy, okay? And if it is possible, you send me the P copy or copy, I'll check it out here. So question number 2, here the LHS is, I want that you are all doing the math class with pen and paper, okay? So LHS, tan 48 degree, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. You have to show that it is equals to 1, okay? So now for solving this one, just keep the first two as it was, keep it in the given form. That means tan 48 degree remains tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree remains tan 23 degree. Now change these two, the last two. That means tan 45 degree. So we may write here, instead of tan 42 degree, that will be cot 90 degree minus 42 degree. And also instead of tan 67 degree, we may write here cot 90 degree minus 67 degree. You know that these two formula, there is a complementary relation between tan and cot. You know that? Is it known to you? Response, students. We have discussed in the last class. So tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into this one cot 48 degree into the last one cot 23 degree. Now there is a reciprocal relation, also there is a reciprocal relation between tan and cot, okay? So instead of tan cot 48 degree, we may write here 1 by tan 48 degree, and instead of cot 23 degree, we may write here 1 by tan 23 degree, okay? Because there is a reciprocal relation also between tan and cot, okay? You know that this relation. Now tan 48 and tan 23 cancel out. It will give you 1. That is the RHS. Is it clear? Any doubt, any queries, ask me. This is question number 1 of 2. Any doubt? Any queries? First, type it first. Is it done? Type it first. Who are typing, type it first. Madhurja, Sneha, yes, done. Madhurja, done. Sneha, Swastika, yes sir, okay. So now move on to the next one. Question number 2. I want that you are doing this one in your copy, okay? So the next one, question number 2 of 2. The LHS cos 38 degree cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree sin 52 degree. Okay, you have to show that it will be, the LHS will be 0. Now in this problem again we will change the first two and keep the last two as it was. Okay, so cos 30 degree means the complementary relation between sine and cos, you know that. So sine 90 degree minus 38 degree into sine 90 degree minus 52 degree, and the next two will be remain unchanged, minus sine 38 degree into sine 52 degree. So the first one will be sine 52 degree into sine 38 degree minus sine 38 degree into sine 52 degree. Okay, so these two are same. When same things are subtracted, it will give you 0. Yes, Mikfa, welcome to the class. Now is it done? And after solving this one, just write a proved. Is it done? Okay, no problem, Mikfa. Keep continuing the class. Any problem regarding this one? 2 of 2. Question number 2 of 2. Any problem regarding this one? Ask me. Okay, so move on to the next one. Question number 3. 2 of 2 is done. Very good. So move on to the next one. Okay, Nordin. Thank you for giving response. So now question number 3. The given is tan 2a. First of all, I am writing here the given. Tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree. Okay, tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree. Now, here it is given that 2a is the acute angle. That means 90 degree minus 2a is also an acute angle. And find the value of a. Now here, instead of tan 2a, we may write here cot 90 degree minus 2a. Okay, cot 90 degree minus 2a by the complementary relation equals to cot a minus 18 degree. Okay, that is given to you in the RHS. Now cot 90 degree minus 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree. That is the equation actually, and from this equation we may write here 90 degree minus 2a equals to a minus 18 degree. Here one important thing to say, that is you can't cancel out cot and cot from the both sides. Okay, because it is not that cot into 90 minus 2a and not that cot into a minus 80 degree. It is the whole thing, and this is the whole thing. So you can't cancel out cot from the both sides. This is an equation, and solving this equation, from this equation, this is a solution of this equation, and that is 90 degree minus 2a equals to a minus 18 degree. That means minus 3a equals to minus 18 degree minus 90 degree. That means minus 3a equals to minus 108 degree. That means a equals to 108 degree by 3. From the both sides, minus will be cancelled out. 3 3 is 9 and 3 6 is 18. A equals to 36 degree. Very good. Satyadeep, Nordin, very good. But you can't cancel out cot from the both sides. Okay, this is the most important thing to say here. Otherwise, it is a very easy problem. So the value of A is 36 degree. So question number 3 is done. Any queries regarding question number 3? Any queries regarding question number 3? Okay, very good. So move on to the question number 4. Question number 4. Here tan A equals to cot B. That is given to you. Tan A equals to cot B. That is given to you. Okay. Very simple one. That means instead of tan A, we may write here cot of M 90 degree minus A equals to cot B. That means 90 degree minus A equals to B, and that means A plus B equals to 90 degree. Very simple one. Number 4 is proved. Do it in your copy and ask me any queries, any question regarding this one, regarding this discussion, regarding this chapter. Okay, so move on to question number 5. That is sec 4a equals to sec 4a equals to cosec A minus 20 degree. Sec 4a equals to cosec A minus 20 degree. Now, instead of sec 4a, we may write here cosec 90 degree minus 4a equals to cosec A minus 20 degree. The RHS remain unchanged, and instead of LHS, we write here. Okay, Satyadeep, thank you for giving the answer. I am checking here. That means after equating, we got here 90 degree minus 4a equals to A minus 20 degree. That means minus 5a equals to minus 110 degree. That means A equals to minus 110 by 5, minus 5. Minus will be cancelled out from both sides, so it will be 22 degree. Very good. Very good, Satyadeep, Shomodeep. Give response, the rest of the students. Where are you? Response. Do it first and response in the chat box. Five is done. Move on to question number 6. The last two problems of this exercise, 6 and 7. Move on to question number 6. First, go through the problem. If ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine of B plus C by 2 equals to cos A by 2. Okay. So, first of all, since ABC are the interior angles, ABC are the interior angles of triangle ABC. Very good problem this is. Very good third question. Therefore, A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. Okay. We know that the sum of the three interior angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Now divide both sides by 2. It will give you A plus B plus C by 2 equals to 180 by 2, that means 90 degree. Okay, now we may distribute in three parts. Welcome Sumi, but it's too late Sumi, just 5 minutes left in this class. So distribute in three parts, it will be a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 equals to 90 degree. Okay, now b by 2 plus c by 2 equals to 90 degree minus a by 2. This is required for proving this one, which is asked to prove here. Okay, so b by 2 plus c by 2 equals to 90 degree minus a by 2. That means we may write here b plus c by 2 equals to 90 degree minus a by 2. Okay, this will be required. Now move on to the LHS. Now move on to the LHS. I am rubbing the board upper portion. LHS. The LHS is sin b plus c by 2. That means it will be sin 90 degree minus a by 2. Now from the complementary relation we know that it will be cos a by 2, which is the RHS. Proved. Very good third question, this one. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Tell me. Is it clear to you? So move on to the last problem. Question number 7. The last one. Go through the problem. Question number 7. Express sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of the angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay. So that means, yes, Satadeep, Somodeep. Yes, very good. The first one is given as sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. Now instead of sin 67 degree, you may write here cos 90 minus 67 degree plus, instead of cos 75 degree, you may write here sin 90 minus 75 degree. That means the first one will be cos 23 degree. You can see the angle 23 degree lies between 0 degree and 45 degree, which is required, and the second one sin 15 degree. 90 degree minus 75 degree, that is 15 degree. So both the angles are between the 0 degree and 45 degree. So that's the question number 7, and with this exercise is completed. Any queries regarding complementary relation? Any queries? Hello, can you hear me? Any queries, students? Okay, so that's all for today. We will be back again here with a new class, and we will discuss about the trigonometry identities. Okay, till then, goodbye and have a nice day.